Yes. 357.
He's sniffing brasticles.
I'm sniffing brasticles.
Rossi. Legendary performance. Just got this in today. Been thinking about doing one of these for a while. We, Roger and Brian and I did test fire this earlier today, but unfortunately we're in daylight savings time here in Tennessee, and it was already dark, so we tried to catch a little film, try to catch a little muzzle flash, but you know, I don't know how Brian's footage turned out, but mine turned out dark as crap. So we're going to do a daytime shoot with this sometime later down the road, so that you can actually see a good review of a good performance review of this thing. This is the Rossi RM64. RM64. Chambered in 357 Magnum. Cool thing about 357 Magnum is you can also shoot 38s through it, 38 special, etc. You can see this one does have a standard revolver chamber flag in it. 6-shot, 4-inch barrel, all black. Black rubber crate and grip handle, double single. Ouch, should have done that. It's okay, plastic. Anyway, really sweet little piece. Like I said, I've been thinking about doing one of these for a while. Again, Rossi RM64, I think. Yeah, RM64. 357 Magnum or 38 special. Designed for 357. Really sweet shooter. Typically, your heavier 357s, heavier build 357s, big wood handles and stuff are going to absorb that recoil in the back of your hand a whole lot better than these all metal lighter frames. But this thing being it is lightweight, but it's heavy enough steel that when we were shooting the 357s through it this evening, you could feel it. You could feel it there, but not as bad as you would with a snub nose. I mean, part of that's the barrel, of course, being a 4-inch barrel. But anyway, real sweet piece. I'm real happy I picked it up. Like I said, we'll do a daytime shoot with this here real soon, so that you can see it in action. And yeah, it's pretty freaking sweet. I'm happy with it. Definitely worth the buy. Definitely worth the buy. Yeah. Rossi RM64, 357 mag. Pew pew.
Here we go, 357.
You know how it is. Ding dong, mother!
Ooh, that's a little sting. Look at that freaking muzzle flash. That is beautiful. Yeah, it is. Oh, it's empty. That is sweet. And it's not as bad on the hand as you think it would be. With it being a light frame, we figured it was going to be hard on the hand. It's not that bad.
Nice.
It's not at all. Next.
Bull videoing.
You're videoing me, videoing him, and we weren't even going to do video.
Here we go. Booming.
A little bit.
Bang! Bang!
The muzzle flash is beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh.
I think that's it.
Rossi
5 shots.
RM64, 357, 4-inch barrel.
That was good, man.
That's
I felt,
nice.
I really felt that in my elbow.
Yeah.
Anywhere else is right.
Not as bad as we thought it would be, though, was it? That rubber Creighton grip's got to be the
It's
factor
absorbing a
there.
lot, for sure.